Hello. As you consider your next step in maths here at Holy Child, we'd like you to take a quick look at the chart displayed here. But while doing so, keep in mind that at the end of each year you can move between regular and honours courses if you and your teacher both feel that is going to be beneficial to you. In most cases, selecting your next course in mathematics is a fairly straightforward affair. As the diagram indicates, if for example you're currently taking geometry, then you should be signing up to take Algebra 2 trigonometry next year at either the regular or honours level. While we provide you with prerequisites in the book of studies as to whether you should take honours level courses, I'll try to give you the most practical guidelines here. But the best advice I can give you is, if you're unsure about what course to apply for, talk to your current classroom teacher. If you are currently in an honours class and want to move to the next honours class, then you should be maintaining at least a B average in your tests and quizzes. Remember that your class grade also takes homework into account, but when making these decisions about your coursework for next year, I'd like you to focus primarily on your grades in quizzes, tests, and on your recent midterm exam. On the other hand, if you're in a regular math class this year and would like to move to an honours class, then you really need to be consistently scoring A grades in quizzes and tests, and to have had an excellent midterm exam result as well. Finally, I want to mention briefly the AP courses here in Holy Child. If you're currently in Honours Pre-Calculus, you may well be looking at moving to AP Calculus or AP Statistics next year. In either case, I'm asking you to see either myself, Mr. Quigley, or Mr. Rosenberg to declare your interest in these courses and to put it on the record, and to have a brief conversation with either of us about the course requirements. All applicants for the AP Calculus course will be required to attend an assessment of their readiness for this course in upcoming weeks at a time yet to be decided. It is possible but extremely unusual for students to move from regular pre-calculus to AP courses in mathematics, but again, please see your teacher if this is something you're interested in. Finally, if you're in Honours Algebra 2 and are currently excelling in that course, we invite you to apply to add AP Statistics as an elective to your course load for next year. We would still require you to take Honours Pre-Calculus in tandem with AP Statistics, as Honours Pre-Calculus is the course that best prepares you for calculus in subsequent years. Thank you for your attention to this video and following through, and I wish you the very best for the remainder of this year and in making your decision about what you would like to do in mathematics next year. Take care.